Thanks for watching Action Trailers Tutorials. We're here with the Canadian Craftsman Series Galvanized equipment trailers. These are a trailer with a drop deck. It's great for scissor lifts, bobcats. They come in either 5-ton or 7-ton series, so depending on your payload needs, you can get anywhere from 8,000 pound capacity with a 5-ton or 11 to 12,000 pound capacity on a 7-ton, depending on the length you choose. You can get bed lengths of 10, 12, and 14 foot long. On the back here, they have a nice, tall, long gate, so that way it gives you a nice, cleaner articulation there of obviously driving up the gate with the drop deck. So again, you can load scissor lifts, that kind of thing. Our drop leg stabilizer jacks are standard on all these models as well to take the weight off. On our 7-ton series, you're going to get a 16-inch wheel with this galvanized rim with easily up hubs, all-wheel electric braking, heavy-duty diamond-plated fenders. Even the deck you notice here, it's a 3/16-inch diamond-plated deck. So having a stronger deck compared to your traditional wood, you don't have to worry about it, obviously, one, warping or anything like that, or replacing it because it's all diamond plated and galvanized. Tie downs, there's lots of tie downs on the trailer. There's gonna be 8 standard welded on. Most trailers, you never see enough tie downs there. With this one, comes with 8, plus the rub rail and stake pockets on the side. So really well built. Again, Canadian built, that's a big factor too we will look at. Heavy duty front rub rail on the front of the trailer. Even things like the spare tire bracket come standard on these models as well. Electric brakes, as I mentioned, are all wheel. Front of it, you're going to notice has a longer tongue, so it's a longer tongue to help prevent it from jackknifing, and also gives you on this front here as a platform. So this galvanized platform, whether you want to put a winch or a toolbox, it's already welded on in the trailer, so it makes it nice and easy for that. Tongue jack is going to be a 12K jack, so a 12K drop leg. Again, easier for hooking and unhooking. Adjustable coupler on the front, so you could adjustable coupler you can change from a pintle or a ball. 2 5/16 is standard in all these models there. Now, what's different with these trailers is, again, they're galvanized, Canadian made, built nice and tough and strong. You notice it's a 6-inch frame on the 7-ton series, 5-inch frame on the 5-ton series there. And what makes us different is we've been in business now for over 2 decades. That's the Action Trailers advantage. We have full service department, parts team, administration team, pickup team. With 30 staff members here, we're here to support you now and after the sale. And that's a big difference. Now, lots of competitors will try to copy us and copy our products, our pricing, even the way we do our business. Take that as a sign. You know what? Quality and integrity can't be duplicated. And that's why customers choose Action Trailers again and again.